we have our soup.
Hello simplifiers, Jessie is my name and this is Simplify Your Lifestyle. On this channel we have different segments. We have a weekly segment on Hack It where we share different hacks and tips of how to make life easy, and we have a monthly segment of different array of content including vlogs, reviews, meal preps, home organization, transformations, lifestyle changes and budgeting, reaction videos, healthier meals, budget meals, and intermittent fasting journey updates. We have a quick tip segment and Q&A. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. Let's get to the video.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star.
Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription.
Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
Let us know what else you would like us to share, and also share with us what you have learned so that we can also learn from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. See you on the next one. Bye.